Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 73 of 111 days verification challenge. Skill set which we are focusing on right now is System Verilog, and we will continue with the topic coverage. Today we are going to see some questions on coverage. Let us see today's questions. In the yesterday's challenge, we saw that there are different types of coverage, like there is functional coverage, code coverage, assertion coverage. Even in code coverage, there are different types. You need to explain. I can give you an example. For example, there is toggle coverage, branch coverage, FSM coverage. You need to explain whatever are these different types of code coverage. And if possible, I would encourage you if you can explain it with an example. The second question is you need to explain the difference between code coverage and functional coverage. Now consider a scenario that you are doing both functional coverage and code coverage, and your functional coverage is more than code coverage. In this case, what does it mean? What can you conclude from this? You want to test the functionality of interrupts. You have certain interrupts in your design and you want to test its functionality. How are you going to do that? In using functional coverage. Now consider that your code coverage is 100%, but your functional coverage is too low. Then what will you do to improve your functional coverage? First of all, what conclusion will this give? That your code coverage is 100%, but your functional coverage is low. What is the conclusion? And then what approach will you follow to improve your functional coverage? Consider during your project you are observing high functional coverage which is close to 100%, but the code coverage is very low. Say it is less than 60%. In this case, what conclusion can you get? And how will you improve your code coverage? You have a 3-bit variable and you need to write a constraint with distribution 60% for 0 to 5 values. 60% of times values between 0 to 5 should get generated and 40% of times 6 and 7 should get generated. You first write the constraint for this and then write the cover point for this to cover this particular 3-bit variable. You have the address ranges from 2000 to 9000. How will you ensure that these address ranges are covered? With the help of coverage, how are you going to ensure? What are the different ways to increase your code coverage in System Verilog? Say your code coverage is very low. What are the different ways which you can adopt to improve it? You want to define some cover groups. Is it possible to define and use this cover groups inside your class? Yes, no, and explain it with help of example how you define the cover groups and how you use them. I have a coding example. You need to tell me how many bins are created for the cover point CPX. The cover point is CPX. Just for this cover point, I am asking how many bins are going to get covered. I have a 4-bit variable. I have a cover group. I have named it as test CG and which operates at pause edge of clock. And here you have a cover point CPX. And here what is happening? You are defining some bins. Low bins is from 0 to 3 and mid bins is from 4 to 12. You need to explain how many bins are going to be created for the cover point CPX. Solve these questions today. Tomorrow I am going to see you for day 74 challenge. Best luck.